My name is Rachel Devine, and I wrote a new book called Discover the Power of the Secret Within, Healing Your Inner Child to Manifest Your Dreams. I'd like to read the preface to you to give you a great idea of what the book is about. Sometimes an audio is very powerful in explaining a book. So I'm going to start with the quote on page one of the preface. The deepest secret is that life is not a process of discovery, the process of creation. You are not discovering yourself, but creating yourself anew. And that quote was by Neil Donald Walsh. So this book is about creating yourself anew. It's about discovering the power of the secret within, which is elusive and mysterious. The power within you is a well-kept secret. Most people will not learn about it in their lifetime. It has positively transformed millions of lives. Those who discover the power of the secret within will be richer than any successful billionaire in the world. Do you have long forgotten dreams that you want to make a reality? Do you want to lose weight, start a business, find your soulmate, get a promotion, get healthy, or end an addiction? Well, now is the time to move forward and make your dreams a reality. I will show you exactly how to do this. Make no mistake about it. You have this miraculous power within to create your destiny. However, there can be blocks to realizing your dreams. There's another power called the subconscious mind that is in charge of almost every decision, every move, and every thought you make in life. Most people have no idea why they have a chip on their shoulder, or why they keep meeting the same type of dysfunctional romantic partner, or why they have issues at work, or why they have deep rooted resentments. And the answer lies within. Discovering this aspect of yourself with awareness will empower you to transform your life in a positive way. Your inner child is part of the power of your subconscious mind that has been picking up messages way before it was able to fully process what was going on, mentally and emotionally. The subconscious mind holds all of your emotions, memories, experiences, traumas, and beliefs from the past. This dual force, the subconscious mind and inner child, drives your life 95% of the time. This is an incredible revelation. I will explore this action packed power in one of my chapters. I will also link a distinct pattern with our addictions to early childhood interactions and show you why it plays a big factor in determining perhaps your own addictions, or as I call them, vices. I will also show you ways to heal from these vices. I will help you come to the empowerment state of taking back your life and teach you how to manifest your dreams into reality. I will also explore grief and how it relates to all of this. Do you ever wonder why losing a beloved dog or cat, or any kind of pet makes a person feel as if the grief is more devastating than losing a parent? There's a reason behind that intense grief, which I will address in one of my chapters. Furthermore, not only will you come to understand it, but you will be able to deal better with the pain and grief of losing a loving pet. We all have choices. One choice is to continue to go about your life in a way that is oblivious to the power of the inner workings, whereas you can just continue to live in an unconscious state of daily routine, accepting limitations in intimate relationships, as well as in your career and other areas, and perhaps allowing fears to dictate what direction your life goes in. Or you can become acutely aware of what is going on with your inner child and your subconscious mind, each a driving force, and actually change the course of your journey in life. You can learn how to change the way it has a negative impact to a positive impact on your life. Knowledge is power and awareness is key. I will show you how to change the subconscious imprint that the inner child developed onto your brain in childhood, so you will be liberated from the chains of the negative inner child influence. This will give you an edge in all areas of your life, from dating to career decisions to family interactions. One of the reasons why dating is so dysfunctional is due to inner dynamics, and I will go into very specific details on this and show you ways to overcome this dilemma. My goal is to help you move forward in areas of your life you thought were not possible. You will also learn the powerful secret on how to shift the subconscious mind to create exactly what you want in life. I will explain step by step how this powerful secret will help you create your destiny. You have the power to manifest anything in life, from success to wealth. I'm sorry, I just lost my place. From success to wealth to love to good health and so much more. I will guide you on how you can do this. It may sound foreign to you at this time. However, by the time you finish reading this book, you will have an amazing awareness and knowledge of the power of the secret within. Whatever the lessons you receive from reading my book will be tailor fit for your needs. Although I am the messenger, the entity that opens the heart and mind to life lessons is your higher power, and ultimately is between you and your higher power to learn whatever you need to learn. You You will pick this book up for a reason. You're exactly where you need to be in life, and something has drawn you to an amazing awareness and potential healing. Therefore, explore the endless possibilities of the lessons that will come out of the awareness you will learn from reading this book. Don't allow this moment to slip away without grabbing the opportunity for growth, happiness, and power. The amazing opportunity has come to you for a reason. Take advantage of this information that will give you an edge in life. The inner child is powerful beyond words, and the fact that most of society is walking around in an unconscious state, oblivious to the power the inner child has on them, is unfortunate. My book is the equalizer and will help you comprehend the dynamics of the inner workings in a way that will invoke much healing. I will bring you to an expansive awareness that will act as a wake up call that literally can transform your life, for the better. Additionally, allow yourself this precious gift of waking up to a reality where you can create the life you dream of. At this point, the question may arise as to what makes me the right person to write a successful book on the subconscious mind and inner child healing. And the answer is I have studied the subconscious mind for over 20 years in various book forums, classes, seminars, weekend retreats, and in my own experience. Having studied the inner child for many years, I have an edge and a clear understanding of the dynamics and the solutions. What my studies have led me to is the fascinating facts that the inner child dynamics are part of the subconscious mind. And the power of the subconscious mind is unlimited in its capacity to create our world. And we all have the power to transform our inner world. So our outer world is created by our thoughts and feelings. Everything that was created in life started with an idea and transformed from that tiny seed. Furthermore, living in the shadows of the power of the inner child my whole life has given me much insight into that mysterious and elusive world. I experienced the fury of the inner child firsthand in my life, and I impart that experience to you. I put together and directed many successful weekend retreats regarding the inner child, which impacted the people on the retreat in a very positive way. All of my studies and experience have led me to write this book. And in writing this book, I am doing even more research into this intriguing inner world. I did all the research to impart what I learned to you. All you have to do is sit back and read about it. Therefore, I urge you to delve into the mysterious and often complicated world of the inner self that will help you emerge into the light of hope. I will also help you change your outer world to one of transformation. I will help you unlock the powerful secret within as we make our way on our journey through life with sacred empowerment. So let us move forward together on this exciting journey into the depths of our inner world as we move on a positive and direct path to discover the power of The Secret Within. That's the end of that excerpt or preface. So, if you have any doubts on whether you are affected by the inner child, let me assure you that all of us have some impact from the inner child from our childhood, from birth to 7 years old. And how we learn to love at that period really dictates our relationships. However, if you go on my website, I have a section called Take the Inner Child Quiz. And it's a very short quiz, 15 questions, and you can determine by that quiz whether you have been impacted by the inner child. But also remember, the subconscious mind directs our lives 95% of the time. So it makes sense if we can impart into that subconscious mind what we want in life, that will come into reality. So that's another part of the book. So my website is RACHEL hyphen DEVINE.com, Rachel-Devine.com. And you can go on there, and I also have lots of resources. Some are free and some are low cost, videos, online courses, and my 3 books. I also have a book called The Third Road, which is a spiritual book on discovering a different power within, the God that's within us. And also, my book, Lessons from the Needle in a Haystack, is a book on dating. It's a spiritual book on dating. So I wish you all a very peaceful and happy search in your quest for perhaps inner healing. And I wish you the best. God bless you.